to talk about our health. Today we're talking about hormone replacement therapy and how it's not all alike.
We have with us Deborah Edwards, an HRC medical consultant, and Angela Erdman, a patient with the program. First, we want to start with Deborah. What is Amor Vie Therapy and how is it different from other or traditional forms of hormone replacement?
Amor Vie Therapy is a special kind of hormone replacement that's natural. And what makes this different is it's customized to each patient. It's not a one-size-fits-all. And so each patient we evaluate and customize a program exactly for them. And it's a natural hormone replacement therapy. So it's much healthier, less side effects. We've had great results with it.
And Angela, you actually have an interesting story because you had surgery several years ago, and that actually led you down the path that maybe many women travel with regular types of hormones. Tell us about your journey.
I had to have a complete hysterectomy in my early 30s, and as the years went by, I kept getting heavier and heavier, and the doctor kept putting me on more medication for different problems. And finally, I was watching TV and HRC popped up, and I was pretty desperate at the time. So
this is actually a picture of you here, and was this at your heaviest point?
I believe so.
And you're 57 pounds lighter than you were then. What other differences do you see in your life now compared to then?
I'm way more active. My husband and I have a much better relationship.
It's a family show, so we'll leave it at that.
And it's just, life is great. It's just like I used to be.
And Deborah, tell us about the journey that Angela was on, because she had surgery, was obviously under the medical advice of a traditional doctor who was really advising and prescribing traditional kinds of medication. How was Amor Vie different from that?
Regular hormone replacement therapies can be quite dangerous to certain groups who have histories of cancer in their family. The natural hormone replacements don't pose those differences. We see many patients with fatigue, low sex drive, hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, anxiety, problems that are devastating to their lives. And with natural hormone therapy, we see these side effects go away. We see their life improve, and we see relationships renewed. It's patients who get their lives back.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so we're seeing some of the different ways you can use this to make you feel better, but hormone replacement itself is controversial. Why are so many people reluctant to start a program like this?
I think a lot of people are hesitant because of the pharmaceutical side effects that they've heard about, and they're not familiar with the natural hormone replacement therapies and what it can do for them. And so many women think that it's just about hormone replacement. Sometimes at a younger age, we're just imbalanced, and it's the imbalance that's causing us the side effects.
So tell people how they would start the process with you, because it does really start with a comprehensive evaluation.
Right, right. First step is to call the number on the screen for a free consultation. What we do then is sit down, evaluate your symptoms, see how you're feeling, see if this is the program for you. Talk about it, tell you what we can do for you, and go from there. But the first step is to come in so we can evaluate and see, is this what you need? Is this the program for you? And it's absolutely free to come in. We spend lots of time going over all your symptoms and seeing if we can help you out.
What about your experience, Angela? Was it difficult to do this? Was it easy? How long did it take before you started feeling different?
I would say it took me about 3 weeks before I really noticed a difference. But I was also weaning myself off of the prescription medication that my doctor prescribed for me. But no, it was easy. I think I was so desperate. So I called that number, and it was just amazing. They're wonderful down there.
And you didn't start as a way to lose weight, but that just became an amazing.
It was just a bonus.
Yeah. Well, wonderful. Thank you so much for coming on and providing this information for us and your experience. We appreciate that most of all. And so there's the information on your screen, obviously, a special for a free consultation. if you want to check that out.
That's right. Give them a call today. Thank you so much for
Yes.
being here with us.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.
This is 8 West.